Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. I'm at this DIY shop. Some cheap diecast and plastic toys. This is RMZ lorries, trucks. This is nice. We have seen this before. Construction machines. Body is diecast. This bucket is diecast. And the wheels can rotate. Here we have RMZ Cities. It's all old news. Ford GT, Mustang, Dodge Challenger, Bentley, Volkswagen D.I.Y bus. And then we have police car. Here we have some weird monster truck. Reminds me of the alien from World War Z. This is plastic, but it's very detailed. Remote control mini. More RMZ cities in pink for if you are a girl and you would like to play with cars. Pink is very nice. The pink GTR. Some play sets. So thank you for watching. Nothing else interesting. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.